Hi, if you need to set up email on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you need to open Play Store first and here select and download the Samsung email. So I'm just gonna do it and wait a couple of seconds till it will be installing. Great, and now we can open it. Here agree or disagree to send notifications. So I'm gonna agree, and now we need to set up email. I'm gonna choose Gmail from the list of other options and allow to access contacts. After that, you can see that it suggests my account, so I'm gonna choose it. And now I can select it once more and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap the button continue and it will just log in my account. But if you doesn't have an account before, you would need to sign in, enter your Gmail or your phone number and then your password, and just you will see the same screen as you see right now on my phone. Now after that, we can tap this settings icon, and here if you would like to add new account, you will need to use this option. And also you can manage folders here, you can check view, you can switch to the light mode for example, and enable or disable some of the options. And here if you would like to just remove this account, you need to select it, and here you will see this button to remove. Now confirm once more, and that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.